Hey guys, so in this guide, I'm going to be showing you how to get Delta Executor for iOS and Android. So this is a crazy Roblox script, no jailbreak needed. So let's get into the video and I'm going to show you guys how to get it. So I'm going to join a game just so you guys can see that it actually works. So as you can see, it's going to load up and you guys will see it's super cool. So you can see the mod menu right there on the right, which is really cool. So yeah, super crazy. So as you can see, we got all the settings right here. So you can actually use it and it is going to require no jailbreak. So let's get into the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly to do this. It's super cool and you can see all the settings here. So yeah, this is awesome, guys. So if you enjoy Delta Executor, I will be showing you in this video how to get it for iOS. So let's go into the guide. So the first thing we're going to do is go to our browser and we're going to go to the website install-delta.com. So let me just go ahead and type it in right here. So it's install-delta.com. So once you're on this site, guys, go ahead and press the button that says start injection and it's going to start downloading onto your device. So before it downloads, it's going to ask you whether you're using an iPhone or an Android. So just go ahead and pick the corresponding device. And then all you have to do is press inject and then finally do the verification, which is where we have to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% free, guys, from the official app store. So I'm going to show you exactly to do it. So let's just wait for this to go ahead and load here, as you can see. So it's going to say verify now. So you just want to go ahead and press on that and then just download 2 of these apps. It doesn't have to be the same ones as me, but you just want to make sure you download 2 of them, guys. So for me, I'm going to do the Lumo, so it's going to take me to the App Store and I'm going to go ahead and wait for this to download here, as you can see. So it's downloading right now. So now I'm going to go back onto the list of apps and download another app. So you want to make sure you download at least 2 of the apps. Just make sure the process works. So I'm going to do Travel Town, so it's going to take me to the App Store. I'm going to go ahead and download it. So let's go to the home screen and wait for these to download. Let's see. So the VPN is already done, so I'm going to run it. I'm just going to do some basic interactions, touching around, whatever. Nothing too crazy. So let me just go ahead and do that right here, as you guys can see. All right, I'm just playing through it. So yeah, it's pretty simple, nothing too crazy. So yeah, this is super cool. So I'm just going to run it right here, as you can see. So yeah, I'll just run that. So now I'm going to go ahead and do the other app, which is Travel Town. This one's a game. So let me just go ahead and run this right here, as you can see. So I'm just going to run this for a little bit more. All right, just playing around with it. So yeah, I'll just run this right here, as you can see. So yeah, I'm just playing through it. This is super cool. All right, so let me just go ahead and run that right here, as you can see. So yeah, I'm just running it. Super easy, guys. So anyway, guys, once you're done, the Delta Executor should be on your device. So be sure to try this out. It's super awesome. So as you can see, I'm just running this right here. All right, just playing around with it. So yeah, it's pretty simple. So you guys should have no problem whatsoever. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, but that is how you get it for your device. So this works on iOS and Android, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. But yeah, it's super cool and fully works for all devices. So definitely go ahead and get the word out. But yeah, it's super cool. So as you can see right here, we got it. So yeah, it's actually working, guys. All the settings, look at this. So yeah, so insane, guys. So be sure to try it out for yourself if you guys don't have it already, because this actually works, guys, and it's really awesome. So I'll see you later.